Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to add your phone number on the application of REDnote. You will go to REDnote app as you see and you will click. In this first page, when you will log in to your account, you will click in the sign here for me. Then you will find this page. You will go above to this sign here and you will click. After that, you will go to this sign of settings. Here in this list, you will click in this sign of account security. And here in this page, you will go to this sign of mobile. As you see here, you will choose your country code in the first. You can choose any country code you want here, for example for United States +1. And then you will add your phone number. When you will add it, then you can click here get code verification, and you will wait a moment until you find or until you get your code verification. Then you can click on OK here to add your phone number on REDnote app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.